מדינת ישראל.
Remember Operation Grim Beeper, the Israeli operation against Hezbollah that turned terrorist beepers into precise mini-bombs? The 3 Mossad agents who led the operation were honored at Israel's Independence Day, where they wore masks and sunglasses to conceal their identities. These guys deserve all the recognition for the unbelievable intelligence op. The program started 10 years ago when Mossad began to put undetectable explosive devices into walkie-talkies, which they then sold to Hezbollah through a shell company. Hezbollah bought 16,000 exploding pagers, which Israel didn't activate for 10 years. Agents calculated just how much explosive would need to be in each pager to inflict damage only onto the terrorist wearing it. The Mossad agents who devised this plan certainly deserve a victory lap.